I dare you to find more ways than me to style the Carla Rockmore striped summer shirt dress. Add some bodacious baubles to mimic the insert curved and contrast yoke, of course. Add a sharp chapeau for a little shade. Wear her relaxed and unbelted with flats and a tote. For strolling in the park, then going for a little lunch. I mean, she's easy breezy. And she also has a touch of lime squeezy. Sorry, I couldn't help myself there. How cute is this look for travel? Between the width of the denim, the vertical stripe, the little floating sphere accoutrement, and the essential Carla Rockmore sling bag, up and away. Number 3, pair her with the soft belt and a little heel. How adorable is this? Number 4, wear her long and lean with a super duper platform that happens to style itself seamlessly with the stripe. Number 5, switch out the belt. Throw on a vintage number. It'll give the stripes a new spin. Number 6, throw on your favorite pair of white linen pants and put your belt in your hair for a little boho beautiful. And saving the best for last is lucky number 7. Pair your Carla Rockmore striped summer dress with the matching Stripe Palazzos for a super lengthening, sensationally chic summer set. Go to carlarockmore.com and pick your favorite statement. Link in the bio.